Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In previous video I will show you how to connect Modbus TCP client application with the Modbus server or Modbus device. Also I will show you how to write the data in Modbus holding register. So today in this video I will show you how to read the holding register value and display in our Qt application. So let's start. So let's first of all add the one push button control to read the data, and also add the one list widget control to display the data. Now change the object name here. Okay, now create the click event. So when we write the holding register value, we prepare the data and set the data in Modbus data unit object. So here we have to do the same things. We have to prepare or define the data number of data register and define to which kind of data register we want to read. So here we have to provide the quantity of register. So let's read the 5 register, and here we define the we read the holding register, and here we define the start address. Okay, so now change the object. Okay, so if you want to learn how to write the data in holding register, I would recommend you to please watch my previous video where I will show you how to write the data in holding register through Modbus protocol. Okay, now come to the point. Here we have to send the request. So in when we write the data in holding register, we provide the send the write request function, and here we use the send read request. Okay, and provide the our read unit. Now let's check the reply is finished or not. So if reply is not finished, then connect our reply with the queue Modbus reply slot signal. Okay, now get the reply from the Modbus reply when our finish signal is called. Okay, now here we have to convert the sender to our Modbus reply. So here we use the object cast, queue object cast to Modbus reply, and here you write the sender. Okay, now check the reply is valid or not. So if reply is not valid, then return from the function and the reply. Now check the reply has any error. If reply has any error, then print the message, or reply doesn't have any error, then print the message. Okay, so if reply doesn't have any error, then print the successful message. Okay, so data read successfully. And if reply has any error, then print the warning or error. Now here write the code when data is successfully read and there is no any error. So now we have to store our values in our queue Modbus data unit. So write the queue Modbus data unit result. Okay, now clear the list widget control before display the data. Now read the data one by one from our data units. So I less than number of quantity of value count. Now create a one string to display in this widget control. So also display the address, holding register address. Start address plus I. When you run your application with the real-time device, then you have to provide your start address. There is a maybe different start address in basically for holding register is the default value of start address is 40,001. Now display the also value. Now display the value also. Dot values of I. Okay, now add this string in our list widget control. So now let's run the application and check it. So I start here my Modbus application. Now first of all connect the application. So you can see that the connection is done, and now let's write here some fixed data 200 and some random data. Now read the data. So you can see the value is displaying our list widget control and data is read successfully, you can see. But here you can see the value is displayed in decimal format, and here we write here in holding register as a hexadecimal format. So if you want to convert this value in hexadecimal type, then provide your base here value as a 16. Now run the application and check it. So you can see the connection is done, and you can see the value is here also displayed as shown in this Modbus server example code. So now let's change the value. So you can see the current value which is same as in our list widget control. Or also if you want to display the decimal value, so now let's display the decimal value also. So just simply don't provide your value base. Okay, now let's run the application and check it. Connect and read the data. So you can see the decimal value also here. Now let's click on the write data. At write data function we write the fixed value. You can see the 100 to 500 of each register. So you can see the current value of that, and now let's read the value. So you can see the value is also displayed same as when we write in holding register. Okay, now let's read the multiple more holding register, like now let's read the 10 holding register. Now let's run the application and check it. So now let's write the simple data. Connect and read the data. So you can see the value is also displaying our list widget control. So by this way you can easily read the holding register value from the Modbus and Modbus device. And please drop your comment if you have any questions about how to read and write the data in holding register, or how to access the holding register's value. And please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please share this video with your friend and press the bell icon to get the notification of new video. And thanks for watching my video. Thank you.